So come with me, let me show you how to create a business letterhead without even having knowledge of any graphic designing, okay? So let's go. So to create a letterhead, for those of you who are asking for a way somebody can be able to create a business letterhead, don't need to have idea of any graphic designing tool. All you need to do is to head over to canva.com. So on the search box here, search for business letterhead. So once it opens, you see a lot of templates, already made templates here on the Canva. So you can edit them as you wish, like as you see here. These are a lot of letterhead templates. You can tap on anyone to choose it. So you see the preview. All you need to do is to tap and edit them according to your business. Add your details, add your business details, add your business name and logo. So you can edit the templates by adding information about your business, like edit this one and put in your phone number, your email address. You can come down here and add your text, add your name and your signature under it. You can tap on this logo to edit it. So you can delete all these ones and they add your own logo from the system. So you can first of all add a text. So you choose any text. Let's say, for example, I choose this one and it comes up to here. So you want to resize this, you tap at the edges and bring it downwards or upwards, depending on the size. You can tap on it and bring it up to the logo sign, okay? So you can also do the same with the phone numbers, email address, and the street address. So once that is done, you can finish editing your letterhead. You can tap on this icon to download it to your phone or to your computer. So after that, you can click on download. Then here, click on download again. Then your letterhead will be downloaded to your phone. As you can see, this is how to create a letterhead with already made templates in Canva, okay? So if this is helpful, please consider to subscribe to my channel at youtube.com/techfutureskills, okay? And don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime there is a tips like this, okay? So thank you for watching and see you guys in the next videos.